In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Add to Calendar link in Outlook email. We'll start inside Outlook, and this works whether you're using the desktop app or the web version. Open Outlook and look to the left-hand side for the calendar icon. Click it to switch from your inbox to your calendar view. This is where we'll create the event that your recipients will be able to add to their calendars with a single click. Create a new meeting or event. Give it a clear title, set the date and start and end times, and add any key details your audience needs, like the agenda, location, or call-in information. If your event is online, make sure the meeting option is enabled so Outlook generates the join details for you. Double-check your time zone if you're inviting people in different regions. When everything looks good, save the event. Saving is important because Outlook won't give you a reliable link until the event is actually saved to your calendar. Next, open the event you just created. Inside the event, look for the Join button. You'll see a small arrow next to it. Click that arrow and choose Copy Link. Outlook will copy the event's join link to your clipboard. This link is what recipients can use to quickly add the event to their calendars, and it's especially handy because it avoids back and forth and manual entry. Now return to your main Outlook dashboard and click New Mail to compose an email. In your message, give a brief summary of the event, including the date and time, so people immediately understand what the link is for. Then paste the link you copied into the body of the email. You can label it clearly, like, add this event to your calendar, so it's obvious what to do. If you'd like, you can format the text so the link looks clean and easy to find. When your recipient receives the email, they can simply click that link to add the event to their calendar instantly, without typing in any details. It's a simple way to increase attendance and reduce confusion. As a quick tip, consider sending the email to yourself first and clicking the link to confirm it opens as expected. You can also include a short reminder in the email about time zones or add a brief agenda so invitees know what to expect. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.